Good morning, winners. Look, welcome to Terry's Tips, guys. Y'all saw the title. Today we're going to talk about a soft pull credit card, guys, that is easy to get even if you have like bad or fair credit, guys, and they do automatic credit limit increases. Come on, somebody, get a notebook and get a pen, guys. And if you are new, this channel, our channel, my channel, is very different from other channels in this financial space. We focus specifically on leveraging your personal and business credit to build wealth. But more specifically for personal credit, how to rebuild your credit, how to repair your personal credit, how to understand your personal credit. And then for business credit, right, how to establish business credit, how to build business credit, how to grow business credit, right? And then I'll do videos like this where I'll actually give you some of the financing and funding for you to actually leverage. So I'm very much into strategy. So if I'm doing a video like this, it's going to be for people that need to rebuild, reestablish, and for people who need to transition, or for people that need the 6 and 7 figures, which is what we really focus on, the big money. And this is a step that they need to take to get to the big money. So if you're looking to leverage your personal and business credit, make sure you subscribe, like, and share and comment. Okay, guys? And I'll do my nugget at the end. I upload brand new videos every Tuesday and Thursday, guys. Okay, so write down Prosper credit card. Write it down. Now, some of y'all might be like, well, what is Prosper card, Terry? I don't know who they are. It's okay. They're actually not new, which is why I'm doing this video so I can introduce them to you. They have been around since 2005, guys, and they're originally like a peer-to-peer marketplace, right? So peer-to-peer just means like private investors where they would have funding and private investors would actually back the funding, right? Like even now to today, they still have like home equity lines of credit. They have personal loans. They also have healthcare financing, guys. But I'm outlining in this video their credit card for a specific reason. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how this credit card is going to help you with personal and business credit. I'm going to give you the terms and the benefits, and then also what you need to qualify. So the Prosper credit card, guys, it will be originally a soft inquiry. That's important. I bring a lot of soft inquiry lenders to you guys because that strategy where you can apply for it with a soft inquiry, see if you get approved. If you get approved, move forward like you have a green light. If you don't get approved, you get denied. Guys, stop. Find out why you're getting denied. Don't go any further, but at least you did not waste a hard inquiry. That's strategy, strategy, strategy. Now, also remember, guys, though, pre-qualifications. What does that mean? That means you're inputting some information. They're doing a preliminary check based on your credit as a soft pull and the information on your application. And they're saying, yes, you apply, you're approved, or no, you're not, right? But remember, you still have to formally apply. So the pre-qualification is like, usually like 85% accurate. If you tell them you make $80,000 a year, then they check your pay stubs and you make $30,000, well, they're probably going to deny you. I'm sorry, I need something to drink. So, I'm not starting this video over because the people that know me and been following me know I don't know how to edit. So there you go. So anyway, so do the pre-qualification, but I have a lot of pre-qualification lenders on my channel because it's super smart to do it that way, right? And always remember, they're going to ask you to verify the information, especially income, guys. So you can put your gross income, you can put your household income, guys, but make sure that you're not just completely making it crazy and it doesn't match, because if they give you an offer based on all your variables and those variables are not true, then you're going to get denied. You're going to be like, Terry, they denied me. Well, you weren't honest on your application. So just remember that. One thing I do really like about their application, their pre-qualification, is they'll actually give you the credit limit and also the interest rate right in the pre-qualification. A lot of them don't actually do that. I'm sorry, y'all. I was recently like sick, and the medicine that they're giving me is like making me have like really, really dry mouth. So thank you for hanging in there. All right, so some things about the Prosper credit card, guys. So number one, it reports to all 3 credit bureaus. Game changer. You know, I'm very, very big on that because I do a lot of real estate investing. I have a lot of business owners. If you want to be strategic, you always want to build up your scores on all 3 bureaus. So I usually only endorse companies that report to all 3 bureaus, okay? Soft inquiry. Guys, no ATM fees. Game changer. No cash advance fees. Game changer. They do automatic credit limit increase every 90 days, guys. So you don't even have to ask. You get the card, you start using it responsibly, guys. Then they'll do automatic credit limit increases. another game changer. Even guys with annual fees, they will waive your annual fee if you do auto pay. Guys, this is where if I'm telling you a card is I'm going to approve you with like fair or bad credit, that's technically almost like a credit builder card or like a like a credit builder card is the best way to kind of explain it. But first of all, guys, also remember that a lot of these other cards, like in comparison, they're hard inquiries. They want a security deposit. They don't do credit limit increases. They don't report to all three bureaus. So in comparison, this Prosper card is way, way, way better than a lot of the other secured cards out there and even some of the other credit builder cards out there. Now, guys, another game changer with them is that you can get approved for up to $3,000, even with bad credit. Now, this is where, follow me, y'all, it's going to help you with business credit. So a lot of the secured cards, the credit builder cards are like $500, $200, $1,000 at the most. The fact that this goes from $500 to $3,000 and you can start at $3,000. Now, mind you can start at $3,000, then they'll do the automatic credit limit increases. But remember, for business credit, if you were on my live workshop that I just posted, guys, shout out to everybody who was in the live workshop. That was super fun. I'm going to do a lot more of those. I explained to you that some of the underwriting criteria for business credit is that they want the business owner, especially if you're a new business owner, new entity, new investor, new to building business credit. They're going to look sometimes even as a soft pull at the business owner because your business is so new, and they want to see revolving trade lines, credit cards that have been open for at least 2 years, guys. They're individual, not authorized accounts, no late payments, 30% underutilization, and they have a credit limit of at least $2,000. Boom! That's why I'm doing this, guys, because think about it. You always hear me talk about SelfLender and guys, this is strategy. So follow me because this is what the difference you get on this channel. You guys always hear me talk about SelfLender as a credit builder account for installment credit. You've never heard me mention their credit card in any video. Why? SelfLender is excellent for installment credit. They do have a credit builder card, but it's only $100, which is like what you see a lot in the industry. This Prosper card will give you $3,000, up to $3,000, even if you only have okay or bad credit. So it starts you off way higher, which then helps you transition into business credit. Because a lot of times for business credit, they will multiply your personal credit limit increases. Don't miss it. So if you have credit limit amounts. So if you have a $5,000 credit limit on a card, you can possibly qualify for a business credit card that is $10,000, $15,000, $20,000. But they want to see that you can manage $2,000 before they give you $10,000, $15,000, $30,000. Got it, y'all? So this is one way it helps you with transitioning into business credit is because the credit limit increase, it reports to all three bureaus. It's an individual card. Guys, another reason why this card, look, nugget, I dropped nuggets in the entire video. Another reason why this card is a good tool to help for rebuilding, getting more points, helping you transition is because of utilization, right? If you're somebody who has high utilization on your credit report, well, remember, you can impact that by paying down items, which a lot of people don't have the money, which is why their cards are maxed out, right? Or by if you have another credit card, you're adding $3,000 to your overall like bucket of money for your credit limit increases just by having a card that's like zero balance, $3,000 limit that now factors into your FICO scoring model, and it can make your utilization go down with no money out of pocket. Come on, somebody. I'm even going to say for some of my younger people, right, that if you are in college, you're in your 20s, you have a full-time job, this is a great card to get started with. That way, you're not going back and repairing, making any mistakes. You're starting with a good card, good limit, all three bureaus right away that will keep on increasing. So parents, remember that for your sons, daughters, nieces, nephews, godchildren, all of those things. All right, so let me go back. So, and there's more I need to share with you. So all three credit bureaus, guys, $500 to $3,000. They're checking your TransUnion or Experian credit report. Remember that. So check your TransUnion, check your Experian, and make sure that it's at least decent. You don't want to be like a 400 and try to get $3,000. Okay, guys? Make sure you check that. Now, they're going to ask to link your bank statements. Guys, I'm seeing this way more now. Like, probably the last year or so, a bunch of personal and business credit videos. Instead of them just getting like your pay stubs or just having you fill it out, they'll have you link your bank accounts. So remember that. So don't tell them you make $10,000 a month and then you link your bank account and it's like negative $700. Got it, y'all? Okay, you're going to have to link your bank account to verify your income, which they'll see your paychecks direct deposited in, and they'll be able to verify how much money you make. And again, even if you get 1,000 or 2,000, guys, it's okay, because if you use it responsibly, they will increase it. No ATM fees, no annual fee if you do the automatic auto pay, no cash advance fees, guys. They also have financial literacy. So they have resources on their website because they're very big into rebuilding and giving you guys the right information. So I thought that was kind of cool that they give you guys some good information. It's going to be a MasterCard. So anywhere MasterCard is accepted, it's not like some kind of card where you can't use it anywhere. You can only use it for jewelry. I don't know what I'm talking about. You only use it for furniture and stuff like Finger Hut or My Jewelers. No, it's a real credit card like MasterCard. Okay, guys. And there was something else I wanted to say. Oh, and no security deposit. That's another game changer, guys, because a lot of these credit builder cards is you give them $500 and they give you a $500 limit card. You give them $1,000, they give you a $1,000 limit card. No security deposit for the Prosper credit card, guys. That's also a huge, huge game changer. There was something else I wanted to say. I forget what it was. OMG. All right, well, I'll remember. No, I wrote myself some notes so I wouldn't forget anything. Capital One. And you can use it anywhere. Oh, I know what it was. Woo, child. That you can use the money instantly. So guys, say you get approved for a $3,000 card. You have to wait 5 to 7 days for it to be mailed to you. They actually have a way where you can actually get access to your funds right away and use it before your card comes in the mail. Got it good, y'all. Okay, guys, so it's a super good tool for helping you rebuild credit, establish credit. If you had some mistakes during COVID-19, right, and you had some damage to your credit, then this is a great card to help you rebuild because it has higher limits, guys. It's going to help you transition into business credit. And for my nugget, guys, I need you to be mindful of the energy around you. Ooh, child, I just learned this lesson. So what I mean by that is if you have friends, family member, husband, wife, relationships, co-workers that are constantly disrespecting you, constantly, not knowing your worth, constantly either lying or being condescending or being envious or jealous or just not treating you well, just not keeping their word to you. Guys, be mindful of that energy because when somebody is constantly lying to you, constantly hurting you, constantly abusing you, constantly using you, constantly just not treating you the way that you know that you deserve to be treated as a friend, in a relationship, as anything, as a business partner, it starts to eat away at your self-esteem, your self-respect, your self-confidence, even your self-awareness. You start to question I'm a good person. I'm doing good things. Why are these people treating me this way? Why is this person treating me this way? And what I want you to know is it's more of a reflection of that person than it is of you. It's a reflection of that person, not you. You are fearfully and wonderfully made. And I need you to always remember who you are and who you belong to. The Almighty God. I have to be me. So understand that when somebody is just constantly disrespecting you, lying on you, cheating on you, not treating you right, stealing, whatever it is they're doing, you need to cut that energy out before it seeps into you because you start to have doubt. And that could be like a cancer. It starts small and it spreads to everything else in your life. So be mindful of the energy around you. And if it is not something that is helping you build up, support, encourage, something that is a positive influence in your life, cut it out and cut it out immediately. All right, guys, I hope that was helpful. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll add the link in the description for Prosper and also to work with me directly and have a super amazing day on purpose.